Hi, Todd Ward here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And on this Thursday, quite a bit of sunshine across the Arklatex this afternoon, as we really don't have much so far as those random thunderstorms, as temperatures have warmed into the upper 80s to low 90s across a good chunk of the area already. Here's a quick look at Pinpoint Doppler and put this into motion, and you can see that we are going to be looking at, again, just spotty showers right now. A little bit of an increase in the development and the coverage of these spotty showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. But again, most of us likely will stay dry. Now, moving forward, if you've obviously been hearing about the smoke in the Northeast and wondering if it'll impact us, here's a look at the HRRR model during the next few days, and you can see conditions will be improving. Earlier yesterday, we did have this in the purple, extremely dense smoke, but you can see it is going to become more moderate here during the course of the next couple of days and stay well to the north and east of the Arklatex. Looking at the current weather pattern, we still have this upper level ridge, which extends basically from Mexico into the northern plains. The strongest part of this ridge now over the northern plains, and the heat of the afternoon has been strong enough and the main cause for the random thunderstorms that we've seen here during the course of the last couple of days. Now, over the next couple of days, we're going to be watching a disturbance which is going to approach the area from the west. You can see this little ripple right in here. What's going to happen is we'll likely see thunderstorms develop to the west of us, and those storms will make their way into the region during the day Saturday. Storm Prediction Center does indicate a slight severe weather risk for all of the area, meaning that any severe weather issues will be somewhat scattered in nature, and it looks like wind probably going to be our biggest concern. So here's a look at Robin Cellular Futurecast. You can see that any of those spotty showers and thunderstorms that do manage to develop this afternoon and this evening will quickly end this evening, and then tonight we'll see a partly cloudy sky across the area. Tomorrow, expect much of the same, a mix of clouds and sunshine, and again, that random afternoon shower or thunderstorm will be a very slight possibility. Then as we go into Friday night, we'll be watching for the development of thunderstorms to the west and northwest of the Arklatex. This is going to develop into a complex of storms which will have the potential of producing some wind issues. So let's zoom back in and show you that we'll likely see the storms arrive in Texarkana late morning and Shreveport during the first half of the afternoon, and then we should see some improvement by late afternoon. There's going to be another cluster of storms that develops further to the west. The brunt of this probably will pass to the south of the Arklatex, but it's something that we'll have to keep an eye on for Saturday evening and Saturday night. And then we will see a break for most of Saturday night with another chance for some showers and thunderstorms as we look ahead to Sunday. Rainfall potential across the area over the western half of the region where the storms arrive sooner. Definitely looking at heavier rainfall potential right now. You can see these areas of green. That's where Futurecast indicating 1 to over 3 inches of rain will be a possibility. Amounts will be much lighter further to the east, with totals probably less than an inch, the way things check out right now. In the longer range, we will see this disturbance push through, and then our attention turns to this big ridge over Mexico that's gradually going to build into the southern Rockies and towards the northeast. Now, models have been delaying the movement to the northeast with this ridge here, keeping it pretty much west of our area until the end of next week, if not next weekend. But we will still see a warming trend, and eventually we will see the threat of rain begin to diminish across the area as we go through next week. So your forecast for tonight looks like this. We will see a partly cloudy sky. Any rain should rapidly end this evening, as we'll see lows in the upper 60s to low 70s across the area. Tomorrow, just a slight chance for that random afternoon thunderstorm. Expect highs to warm back into the middle 90s over most of the area. That includes 94 in Coshada, in Shreveport, and Minden, 93 degrees for the daytime high tomorrow in Texarkana. Your 10-day forecast shows that we will see probably low to middle 90s through the weekend. Again, that chance for the severe weather as we go through Saturday. A slight chance of rain Sunday, better chance of rain Sunday night, and we could see some nighttime rain at times next week, but most of the days will be dry, with daytime highs gradually warming into the upper 90s. By the end of the week, lows will warm into the middle 70s, and triple digits will be possible, especially by the time we get to next weekend. So all in all, it does look like we will see conditions stay rather hot and rather humid. Best chance of rain probably Saturday, when some strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible.